How to add funds to your PlayStation wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can add funds to your PlayStation wallet, which means to also your PSN account. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to purchase a premium game, of course you have to add funds to your wallet, and only then will you be able to purchase and download those games. So in order to add funds to your wallet either via PayPal or credit or debit card, first of all you want to simply navigate to settings. Under settings, you have to choose the option called account management, and then go to the option called account information right under the sign out button. As you go to the account information, before we try to add funds to your wallet, you want to make sure that you've actually added a payment method. So at the very top, you'll find the option called wallet over here right at the third option, and once you go to wallet, here you'll find the option called payment methods first. So if you would like to add a PayPal account, you can relatively go ahead and sign into your PayPal account if you would like, or if you'd like to add a credit or debit card, you can actually add only up to 3 cards, so you cannot add a maximum of more than that. Once you add those payment methods to your card, what you can do is, in order to top up or in order to add funds to your wallet, you want to simply come back again, and then on this specific page you'll find the option called add funds to wallet. So go to the wallet option again over here, and then here you'll find the option called add funds. So just go ahead and click on the add funds button. As you click on the add funds button, here you can see add debit or credit card. So if you did the process as I did earlier, you'll be able to successfully add funds. Now another process is that you can also add funds using a gift card. So if you have a gift card and if you want to redeem it, depending upon the value of that gift card, after you click on the redeem option, you'll be able to successfully add funds to your wallet on your PlayStation console. That's all it takes to add funds to wallet on your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.